Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change name of your photo or movie on your POCO M3 phone. To do this operation we will go to File Manager. We can choose photo or a movie that we want to change the name of. Then we will need to use this More option right here. Then Rename. We can change a name for anything we want. OK, and it's renamed now. And that's basically all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.